Hey, how's it going? Long time no see. Tom here from Redo Design, and yeah, it's been a hot minute since I've last put content out on here, but I just wanted to come on and say hello. I'm still making things. I'm still alive. I've just had quite a lot of things going on. Some pretty heavy health issues going on, dental issues, and some other things as well. My father-in-law moved house, so that was quite an upheaval helping him out, and also the workshop has been really cold, so I've been doing my other business during the winter months, which is normal, so I've kind of been keeping it a bit low-key. I'm still into recycling, I'm still into making bits and pieces. I've been experimenting with some new techniques, and there will be a video on my YouTube channel about these new techniques that I'm coming up with, and it's around, I'll give you a little hint, it's around using polystyrene and casting with it. So that's going to be an up and coming project to look out for. Whether I can make it into something usable, we shall see. It's inspired by some people I know who do Games Workshop on modelling and some of the techniques they've used in the past. But yeah, I had a fantastic Christmas. Lots of products sold, so that's always good. Got some things out there. Got items on Amazon now, so that's brilliant. So yeah, pushing forward really. I'm looking forward to getting back in the workshop, getting back tidying, getting it to some kind of usable state, which it's still not, unfortunately. Been doing a lot of projects with my son as well. I've got a son who's 6, and helping him build up his toolbox and that sort of thing has been really nice to see. But yeah, I hope everyone's doing good. So just a bit of a short video today to say, hey, I am still here, I am still making. I've toned it down on the shredding a little bit just because I am still getting the raw polyprop and polystyrene, but the buyers have been a bit few and far between, so a lot of it has just been going off straight to traditional recycling because there hasn't been the buyers there for the granulated products, unfortunately. And I have got, you know, colours and stuff like that I've been stockpiling, and the clear, but black I don't seem to have any outlet for that. But there you go. So yeah, more videos coming soon, more content coming soon, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye for now.